Sababu mimi walipokataa mambo ya cost of living, nikamwambia bwana Kalonzo mimi sitavumilia. Nikakataa mambo yao. And Kalonzo is a diplomat. He is a patient man. Akasema let us not throw out the baby with the bath water. Sababu pale ndani tuko na IEBC. But if Kenya Kwanza is going to throw out that baby called IEBC, Bwana Kalonzo, there will be nothing left but the dirty bath water if they kill that baby called IEBC. And if they proceed to reconstitute IEBC unilaterally, hiyo IEBC haitakuwa IEBC ya Wakenya. Itakuwa a Ruto commission which we shall not recognize as Azimio. Tuko pamoja? So hilo ndio jambo nataka niwaambie siku ya leo, and to just tell our friend William Ruto, don't cross that red line. If you do, then I'll remind you of the poem of Jonathan Kariara, Grass Will Grow. He said, Lord, if you take away my only child, then give me strength to dig his grave, for grass will grow. Asante, Mungu awabariki.